This conference will now be recorded.
Hi friends, welcome to Ratan IT. My name is Ratan. As we are discussing COREJAVA assignments, the last class, last video, we complete this assignment, right? Using while loop. In application, take the guess is 25. Can you please check the last video, guys, if we are not checking the previous video, because this is very, very important. In application, take the guess is like 25. Take the guess from end user. If they enter the guess value less than 25, you enter less than 25. Enter again. You enter more than guess value, enter again. When you enter the equal 25, then only we have to stop the execution. I told you if you don't know number of iterations, because then you can go for the while loop, right? The same kind of code only here also, same kind of. Take the student data. Take the student data means what? Roll number, name and marks from end user. Take the student data, roll number, name, marks from end user. After taking the data, just print the data. Okay, take the data, just print the data. After printing, give the message, do you want one more record? Like to take, like, to print one more record. If you enter the yes means what? Again take the data, print the data. No means what? Stop the execution. Okay. Again take the data, print the data. No means what? Stop the execution, right? That is information, guys. Because here, do you know how many times to repeat? Definitely we don't know. When you don't know how many times to repeat, because you pause the video, you try to, like, write the code. You pause the video, understood the requirement, read the requirement, pause the video, start writing the assignment. Once if you done, then you can start the video again. You get the point, right? Yeah, just to take the student data, guys, roll number, name and marks from end user. After taking the data, just to print the data. After printing, give the message to end user, do you want one more record? Yes means again print the data, take the data, print the data. No means stop the execution. Yes, here I don't know how many times to enter the data, right? When you enter the yes, 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 again you have to repeat the loop, right? When you enter the no only, I have to stop the loop. If you don't know number of iterations, simply I told you previous assignment. Take the while of true. While of true means what? The loop is repeated like multiple times. In this one, check the if condition. If it is no means what? When you enter the no, then only you can break it. While of true means how many times to repeat it? Tell me. One time or multiple n number of times. While of true means infinite times. When it has to stop when if condition is matched with no, right? When we enter the no, we can stop the loop, infinite loop. How can we stop that infinite loop? Using break, right? Because how can we stop the infinite loop? To stop the infinite loop, we can use the break statement or not. That is a point, guys. That is the information, right? Yes. Just communicate the code using Eclipse ID. This is the previous. This is the previous one. For this video, we'll go for the second example. Assignments tested to file regarding while loop only. Click on the main method. Click on the finish. Exactly. Guys, can you please check the requirement once. Take the student data one time or multiple times. Multiple times. Take the while loop. Because first of all, to take the input from end user, scanner class. Scanner equal to what? New scanner. Some students are creating the scanner update inside the while loop here. If we create inside the while loop, then what happened? Tell me. When the loop is repeated like now 20 times, then 20 times this object will be created. While of true means what? A loop is repeated, right? Loop is what? Repeated, right? Exactly. That's what, guys. Don't create the object inside the while loop. If we create the object inside the while loop, then what happened here? The loop is repeated, and again the objects will be created multiple times, right? Scanner equal to what? New scanner. Let me take the system dot what in right. Yeah, system dot what in right. Exactly. Because I want to take the input from end user. Sysout control space. Sysout control space. Then guys enter what enter the student data, roll number, name and marks. Okay, enter roll number. Enter what is roll number. He'll enter some roll number. How can you take the roll number? Tell me. Scanner dot what? Scanner dot you can take the next in, right? Scanner dot next in, then you can take the integer roll number, right? Teacher roll number. That's it, guys. Roll number is ready. Then we need to take the name. This is our control space. Enter student name. Enter student roll number, which is enter student name. Because how can you take the name? Tell me. Scanner dot next method we have to use, because it is a string, right? String means we have to use whatever next method. Then you can take the string name, right? Exactly. There's roll number and whatever name. Next one is our control space. Enter student marks. Enter the student marks. Then to take that marks, scanner dot what next int. Then I'm taking the student marks. So int, just we can take the marks, right? Yeah. Roll number, name and marks. I told you that just to print the data. What the roll number, tell me guys? Just you can print the roll number plus some space plus name, just some plus space plus marks. Just I'm printing the data. So after printing the data, so take the student data, first line is completed. After taking the data, just print the data. Second line also completed. After printing, give the message to the end user. Do you want one more record? Yes, then you can give the message. Sysout control space. Do you want one more record? Do you want one more record means what he will do? In the command prompt, he will enter yes or no, right? Yes, in the command prompt, he will enter what? Yes or no. In the command prompt, when you enter the yes or no, you need to take the data, yes or no data. To take the data, scanner dot what next method. Then scanner dot next method, then you can take the string what option, right? Exactly. So, son, do you want one more record? One more record means yes or no, right? Do you want one more record? Yes or no? Just you can check this condition. If option dot equals of what amount? No. It's option dot equals or equals ignore case. That's up to you. Equals ignore case means what? When you enter the lower case no or upper case no, it is valid, right? Equals means case sensitive. Okay. Because if option dot equals ignore case of no, when the option is no, then only need to break. Otherwise, what happens is loop is keep on repeated, right, automatically. When we enter the no only, then only loop is stopped. Otherwise, while of true means one time or repeated infinite times. Tell me, while of true means what? The loop is keep on repeated or not? Is the loop is what? The loop is keep on repeated. While of true means what? The loop is keep on what? Repeated or not? That's called while of true. It says that. Are you clear, right? Enter the student roll number, enter the student marks, enter the student name, student marks, print the data. After printing, do you want one more record? One more record means what? Yes or no. Take that option. If option dot equals of no, then only break it. If yes means what? Loop is repeated, right? Normally. Yes. Yes, that's it. Just a bit knowledge. You need to bit analysis important. That's it. How many times I want to repeat? A number of times. Then while of true. When I want to stop, take that option, scanner dot next. Option that equals of no means I need to stop. Because I think code is simple and right. Simply run this code. Because you please maintain the notes for this all assignments. How many assignments are there? So every time uploading the two assignments at least. So you please maintain the notes for this all assignments. Okay. Enter the student roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter the student name, Ratan. Enter the student marks, 98. Click on enter. Data is printed. So now data is printed. Do you want one more record? Yes. Yes means again take the data. Again loop is repeated, right? Again loop is repeated. Roll number 890. Name is what? Unknown. Marks is what? 78. Do you want one more record? No. No means what? Stop it, right? Yes, no means what? Stop or not. That's it, guys. Enough. Completed task. Yes, are you clear now? Yes. Because this is like now student data, right? If you want student information, just you can do like this. You simply can run this for one more time if you want. Enter the data, right? Enter this roll number, guys. What a roll number? 123. Name Ratan. Student marks something like 98, 90. Student information is what, Amma? 123 Ratan 90. Do you want one more record? Yes. Roll number 456. Name ABC. Marks 10 marks. So 456 ABC 10. Do you want one more record? Yes. Take the roll number 890. Name XXX. Marks 67. Do you want one more record? Yes. Yeah. We can write the name is what? Rolex. Oh, see guys, roll number, Rolex means what happened guys? Input means my exception. Because roll number means you have to enter the number, right? Fine guys. But output is working fine or not? No sir, first time enter the no. Roll number is 12345. Name is Ratan and the max is 90. So do you want one more record? No. Enough. First time itself we stopped. I think you got the clarity, right? Yes or no? Yes. Hmm? Yeah. Regarding while loop, these two examples. Previous video, I talked about this example. Previous video, we done this example. Application guess value. You don't know when he enter the correct guess value. That's what while of true. If I don't know number of iteration, while of true. Then second one is what we need to go for the. Tell me, we need to go for what? Student data, right? Yes. Like scenario, guys. We need to understand the scenarios very clearly. That is important actually. It's very clear, right? Yeah, two examples are clear now. You please just pause the video and just you can take the complete notes here. Just pause the video, just you can take the complete notes. And every page, you please maintain one assignment. Up to this one for you important guys. Last, like the video. Tell me, like the video, comment the video, subscribe to our channel to get the more videos. You get the point, right? So thank you guys. Meet in next video. We'll go for next question. I hope you enjoyed the assignments, right? Yes, please comment whether you enjoyed or not. We need to bit slow down the explanation. Otherwise, you need to give the more assignments. You please give some what comments so that you'll get the clarity. I'll check the comments. I'll update. I will update. Exactly. Bye guys. Next video we'll go for next question.